Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to make guacamole. For this I am taking 2 avocado. It's fully ripe. When it's ripe it is creamy and delicious and it is perfect for making guacamole. I cut the avocado into 2. Now I am slowly scooping the creamy layer out of the skin. It is very simple and easy to make. You can have guacamole with chips, breakfast sandwich, burritos. Now let's mash the avocado. Look, now it's of perfect consistency. Now we can add onions 1 by 4 cup, tomato 1 by 4 cup. It's all finely chopped. Coriander leaf 2 tablespoon. It gives a fresh aroma. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Salt half a teaspoon. I am freshly grounding the pepper. I need half a teaspoon of pepper, just roughly crushed. I'm taking half a teaspoon of crushed pepper and give a good mix. It looks so good and yummy. It looks so colorful. Now I am taking a portion of guacamole out because I'm going to add green chili. If you're making guacamole for kids, skip green chili. If you're making for adult, we can add green chili. I'm adding 1 green chili. Give a good mix and store the guacamole in a airtight container for about 5 to 6 days in the refrigerator. Now our guacamole is ready to be served. You can have it with chips or bread or anything you like. She is having guacamole with some pita chips. She loves it. It's so yummy and it's healthy for kids. Thank you for watching. See you soon with a new recipe. Until then, bye.